Hello and welcome to Irish Tidbits, where I'll be teaching you how to say hello and how are you in the Irish Gaelic language. Diolch, hello, literally God to you, which means hello. Dias Meragwich is hello in response, which is God and Mary to you. How are you? Conas atá Conas atá Cadé mar atá Can he a will to? Can he a will to? All those last three, Conas atá Cadé mar atá and can he a will to, all mean how are you, and you can use either one you want, as they're all equally understood. Tommy Gamoy, which means I am good, so be I good. Tommy Gamoy. Tommy Gabra, which means I am well. Be I well. Tommy More Galore, which means I'm okay enough. Galore means enough. So I'm okay. And the last one there, Tommy Kiart Galore. Tommy Kiart Galore. I am right enough, so I am all right. I'm okay. Then we have Fáilte, which means welcome. Fáilte. Céad Míle Fáilte means 100,000 welcomes and is a common phrase in Irish Gaelic. Gaelic. This is the Irish name for the Irish language. And Gaelic, the GH making the Y sound there, Gaelic means the Irish. It's in the Irish language. Okay, thanks for watching.